Flash sales are great for boosting revenue, but when your volume doubles overnight, some processors see that as a red flag and freeze your payouts. It is a common headache for coaches and course creators running limited time promos. Here's a simple way to stay ahead of payment volume spikes during your promos. Create a quick promo tracker in Google Sheets and log each campaign's expected versus actual sales. If you notice your actual volume doubling what you planned, that's your early warning to let your processor know before they panic. Tracking helps you spot problems before they escalate, but it cannot guarantee your payouts won't be paused when volume suddenly jumps. That's where EasyPay Direct makes a difference. Their transaction routing automatically spreads payments across multiple merchant accounts. So even if one account gets flagged, your funds keep flowing. It is built for high volume promotions and sudden surges. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description. Check it out if you're planning a big promo. With transaction routing in place, you can run your sales confidently without worrying about processor slowdowns. Promos should boost your business, not interrupt your payments. EasyPay Direct helps you handle spikes smoothly and keep your revenue steady, no matter how big your campaign gets. Use the link in the description to get started today.